There are many different floor design ideas considered depending on the style of your home and your personal preferences. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Hardwood floors. Hardwood floors are a classic choice and can add a warmth and character to any room. You can choose from a variety of wood species, color and finishes to find the perfect look for your home. Tile floor. Tile floor is a very durable and easy to maintain flooring option that is well suited to high traffic areas and damp environments such as kitchens and bathrooms. You can choose from a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures to suit your style. The third one is stone floors. Natural stone floors such as marble, granite, or slate can add a luxurious and elegant touch to any room. They are also very durable and easy to maintain. Number 4 is vinyl floors. Vinyl is a budget-friendly flooring option that is available in a wide range of styles and colors. It's easy to install, durable, and easy to clean. Number 5 is carpet floors. Carpet is a cozy and comfortable flooring option that is available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and styles. It is well suited to bedrooms and other areas where you want a softer surface underfoot. Hi everyone, I hope that all my only viewers will be fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always keep smiling. First of all, welcome to my channel and I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching my videos and sharing my video with your friends and family members. Today I have brought some different, outclass, gorgeous and outstanding floor design ideas for you. So guys, please enjoy the video and you can pick the idea that you love. So these are the few ideas to get you started. There are many other flooring options available including laminate, bamboo and cork. So you are sure to find something that meets your needs and budget. So friends, if you like the videos, then like the video and share the video with your friends and family members. And if you have any suggestion related to home decoration, then put in the comment section. Your comment is very important for me and I'm waiting for your comments. So take care. Goodbye.